Okay, in this video I'm going to talk about biconditional statements. And so here I give you an example. Just a conditional statement is an if-then statement. If an angle is 90 degrees, then the angle is a right angle. So with biconditional, it means it's true in both directions. So right now, if an angle is 90 degrees, then the angle is a right angle. That's true. A 90-degree angle is a right angle. So what you have to find is the converse and then tell whether it's true or not. So here's my conclusion. The angle is a right angle. So if an angle is a right angle, then the angle is 90 degrees. Okay, well, that's true. If you have a right angle, then it is a 90-degree angle. And so it's true in both directions. So it can be written as a biconditional. So an angle, here's the biconditional. You're going to just stick if and only if in the hypothesis, in between the hypothesis and conclusion. And it doesn't matter what order you do it in. So an angle is right if and only if the angle is 90 degrees. So that is a biconditional. It's not terribly a hard thing to do, but you do have to analyze the situation in both directions. You have to look at the statement, original, tell whether it's true or false. If it's true, then you can flip the statement around, see it, and do the converse. If that is true, then we write it as a biconditional, and you just stick the if and only if in between the hypothesis and the conclusion of either statement. It doesn't matter because it's true both directions. So let's take a look at this one. If an angle is 45 degrees, then it is an acute angle. Okay, well, yeah, 45-degree angle is an acute angle. So that is true. So let's flip it around. So if an angle is acute, then it is a 45-degree angle. Okay. Well, this one's not true. So if an angle is acute, then it is a 45-degree angle. Even though 45 degrees is an acute angle, this is too vague of a statement. We could come up with a counterexample very easily. So what if the angle was 44 degrees? So there's my counterexample. That is an acute angle that's not 45 degrees. So in this case, we can't write this as a biconditional. And so it's not reversible. And basically that's what you're going to say on your math assignment or your geometry assignment. Whoops, we don't want to do deductive reasoning just yet. I'm going to have to give another page. So symbolically what this looks like, an if-then statement typically looks like this, P then Q. So, mathematicians like to put it in these type of symbols. And so this statement back here, if an angle is a 90-degree angle, so this part here, the hypothesis was P, and then, whoops, I hit the wrong button here. Hold on. I still hit the wrong button. That is so funny. Okay, so that's P. An angle is a 90-degree angle. The angle is a right angle would be the Q. That's your conclusion. And so since this one was a biconditional, it could be written in either direction, we would represent it like this with double arrows. That double arrow is if and only if. And it really just means that the statement is reversible. Doesn't matter what order you write, the hypothesis and conclusion is true in both directions. And so that's pretty much all you need with biconditionals. I hope this helps, and see you next time.